are currently dealing with some yellow dust here in the nation. To get the details on that and more on the weather, let's go over to our Kwon So-hwa standing by at the Weather Center. So-hwa, hello.
Hi, Jie, and good evening to all our viewers. Now, we are seeing the first yellow dust of the year here in Seoul. Now, the dust is mainly lingering in the western part of the nation, and until tomorrow morning, it could remain in some coastal areas. However, most of it should let up by night. Now, thankfully, the amounts aren't significant, so experts say it won't affect us all that much. But if you've got a weak respiratory system, you might want to take extra care. Now, tomorrow will be affected by a high continental pressure front from the northwest, that is, which is going to make it colder than today. Now, skies will be a little cloudy in the morning, but we'll get to see lots of sunshine during the day. Down on Jeju Island, however, it'll be overcast throughout the day, and a fair amount of clouds are in the picture for Goheung, where the NATO rocket will be launched, but it shouldn't be a big problem. And now shifting over to tomorrow's mercury readings. As I said, it's going to get pretty cold in the capital Seoul. Morning lows plummet to -3 degrees and only hit 6 later on. Daegu starts off at 1, Gwangju at 2, and Busan at 4. And highs will range between 8 and 10. Let's move over to Daejeon, which looks identical to Seoul, ranging from -3 to +6. Jeju and Dokdo look identical to each other, and Mount Kumgang's morning should be freezing at -10. And now let's move on to the international weather. Days and nights are all getting colder and colder bit by bit in Beijing, while Tokyo, on the other hand, rises to above the mid-teens on Thursday, so make good use of the mild weather. Be careful not to catch a cold in Islamabad, where it's not only getting cooler but also rainy. Still warm and sunny for Islamabad, hot for Manila. Kuala Lumpur, Port Moresby, and Jakarta all share the same daytime high on Thursday, but Port Moresby may feel hotter due to an abundance of sunshine. Down in Australia, get ready for a surge in the mercury in Melbourne, which is expected to hit a scorching 34 degrees, while Perth drops to below 20, along with gusty winds. Now, rain won't stop over in North America's Vancouver on Thursday, which expects around ½ an inch. In Montreal, it's snow that'll show up in the afternoon. Clear skies in New York and Washington, D.C., cloudy and a little rainy over in Los Angeles. Further down in South America, Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo get a break from the thunderstorms. Some winds and cooler temperatures are in store for Santiago, and a fair amount of clouds will cover the skies in Buenos Aires. Lots of snow should pile up in Moscow. No signs of snow yet in Central Europe, but rain will fall in Berlin. Rome stays windy and a little rainy in the morning and has a slight chance of thunderstorms. Finally, in Africa, get ready for a cool, rainy, and windy day in Algiers this Thursday. No precipitation, but also winds are forecast for Cape Town. Now, I'll be back with more weather updates after 10, so see you then.
Thank you, So-hwa. And that's all the news we are following at this hour. I'm Yoo Ji-hye in Seoul. I'll be back with more news updates on our primetime news at 10 p.m. Korea time. See you then.